How to fix microphone not working on HP laptop. Method 1. Enable microphone in Windows settings. First, we need to make sure that Windows has permission to use your microphone. Click on the Start button and open Settings. Now go to Privacy, and from the left side menu, click on Microphone. Here, make sure microphone access for this device is turned on. Then scroll down and also enable Allow apps to access your microphone. If these options are disabled, your microphone will not work in apps like Zoom, Discord, OBS, or Google Meet. After enabling everything, close the settings and test your microphone again to see if the issue is fixed. Method 2. Run Windows Troubleshooter. If your microphone is still not working, Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can automatically detect and fix common problems. Go to the search bar and type Settings, then open it. Click on Update and Security and select Troubleshoot from the left side. Now click on Additional Troubleshooters. Find Recording Audio and click Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will now scan your system for microphone-related issues. If it finds any problem, it may automatically repair it for you. Once the process is complete, restart your computer and check your microphone again. Method 3. Set your microphone as default device. Sometimes the microphone works fine, but Windows selects the wrong input device. So we need to set the correct microphone as default. Open the control panel and click on Hardware and Sound. Then select Sound. Go to the Recording tab and you will see a list of connected microphones. Select the microphone you want to use, then click on Set Default. After that, click Apply and then press OK. Now your microphone is set as the main input device and it should start working properly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.